Hello guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I want to take this time out to welcome my new and existing subscribers. If you want to get more content on Pi Network, then this is the right place to be. Before we start, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button. Turn on the notification button so that you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, let's get to it. On my previous video, I talked about Pi Network and all you need to know about the Pi Network. And I said that Pi is a mobile binding cryptocurrency. It's free and it doesn't cost you anything to bind, rather than just a click of a button once in every 24 hours to claim your coin or token. So today, I'll be talking about two things, which is the Pi browser and the Pi blockchain for testnet. Now, for some of you that don't know, the testnet is actually the second phase of the Pi network. It is the current phase that we are now. Okay, and from this phase, it will go to the third phase, which is the mainnet phase. Okay, which is the final phase. Now, let's move on to the Pi browser, shall we? Okay. You press the menu button, then you see Pi browser after home. See Pi browser. You click on the Pi browser. Okay. Then if you haven't downloaded the Pi browser, or maybe you've never used the Pi browser before, on signing into the Pi browser, it will likely take you to Play Store where you can download it. But I already have the Pi browser, so it will redirect me to the app. So it's coming up right now, as you can see. You can actually download it from Play Store if you don't have. Okay, just give it some time. So this is it. So currently I'll be walking you through on what the Pi browser is all about and how you can make use of the browser. Okay, now if you look at the first icon here, we have, you can see welcome to the Pi network. Then we have the chat.pi. Okay, when you click here, you see all the people from all over the globe that you can chat with. If you want to know about Pi, you want to have more insight, you can come to the chat room and chat with them to get updates and more information about Pi. All right, then the second one here is the Pi wallet. Okay, there's the Pi wallet. I'll need to enter my phrase. Okay, I'll need to enter my phrase, but for security reasons, I am going to use the unlock with fingerprint for security reasons. Okay, I'm not going to put my Pi phrase here because of the following reasons. If you put your Pi phrase where somebody can see it and somebody can, steal your Pi phrase or copy it down, somebody can actually use that Pi phrase. Somebody that you think you trust can actually use that Pi phrase to steal or claim your Pi. Now, you need to be sensitive when inputting your secret phrase. That's why they call it the secret phrase or the private key. You don't just put it where somebody will see it, because if someone sees it, let's say someone that wants to steal your Pi can actually steal it because you've made your wallet vulnerable to that person. So you need to be careful, you need to be safe. Okay, make sure you don't expose your secret phrase to anyone. All right, now you can see this is my pi balance here. Now my pi balance, you can see I have 99.880000 test pi. Now the test pi is actually used to test pi transactions, test the speed, test if the transaction is working accurately. So if you have any problems, any challenges, maybe you try sending pi and your transaction is not going smoothly, this is the reason why they created the test pi. Okay, it's one of the reasons so that users can test pi and make sure that the transaction is moving smoothly, and also with it they can know what's going on within the platform and how to make use of the Pi wallet, because most people don't know how to make use of the Pi wallet. But with this, you can know how to make use of the Pi wallet before the mainnet phase or before mainnet comes up. By then, you are already equipped with the ways and how to use the word Pi wallet. So this is the essence of creating the Pi wallet now and making it on test and putting it on test Pi rather. They put it on test Pi so that you can use this period to know how to make use of it. Okay. Now I'm going to click on receive. This is my public key. This one I can show to anyone without worry or fear of anything. Okay, this is my public key. This is known as your public key address, where you can send this. I can literally copy it and send it to anyone in order to receive test pi. Currently, the test pi you are seeing here, the value is 0. Okay, because it has not been converted to real pi, so it's 0 for now. So you just need to be patient until mainnet, where your original Pi will be transferred to your Pi wallet browser. Okay, just be patient. All right, I can actually share this to friends and family. For those of you that have downloaded the Pi browser, you can actually send it to friends and family. Okay, now this is the sending section. Okay, the sending section, you see recipient address, where if I want to send pi to someone, I'll need to copy the person's recipient address. Okay, that's the person's public key, and I'll put it in my own private area for recipient address, where I can send the digital currency to the person. Okay, here I can put my amount. Let's say I want to send 18 test pi. I put my amount and I come down here. You see minimum fee 0.01 test pi. Okay, after that I click what? Send. Okay, but since I didn't put any recipient address, it will not send because I didn't put any recipient address where the cryptocurrency will be moving to. All right, so that's all for that. Let's go to the brainstorm. Yeah, the brainstorm, this is literally a place where people come together to bring ideas, innovations, ways to make sure that pi becomes a success. Okay, this is the area for that. If you want to contribute, play your role, if you know you have any ideas or something that you can contribute, this is the best place to do it. You can see other people contributing here. I have also made my contribution. So you see other people talking about ways of making pi transaction good, making pi transaction a success, how to contribute to the marketplace, things to buy and all that, things to sell, and so many reviews. You can just look at them. Okay, we are currently on the hackathon, the pi hackathon program. You see everybody contributing to the growth and success of pi. This has to do with millions of people all over the world. Okay, that being said, we'll go to the mine pi or mine.pi. where it will take you back to the my app. This is my user interface back to Pi mobile app, where I can mine. I can possibly mine even through the browser. I can click the mining button and I'll mine. Okay. So that being said, all right. So we have this develop.py. Okay, this one is relatively new. Here they talk about um Pi network and how developers can make use of the the interface, okay, to create their own mobile app in the platform. Okay, this is just the area for developers all over the world to integrate their app into Pi platform. Okay, they create third-party apps and integrate it. It says get your developer credentials here to create third-party Pi app. Okay, web apps that can be accessed through the Pi browser. By declaring your app URL here, your app will be able to access the Pi API and communicate with the Pi browser and the Pi blockchain. Well, although I'm not a developer, so I don't know, or I don't have 100% knowledge on how to, make use of the developer area. So now, yes, I'm going to take you to the second aspect of this video, which is the Pi blockchain. Now, many people think that Pi doesn't have a blockchain. That's not true. And I'm going to prove that to you today. Okay? Pi do have a blockchain, and I'm going to take you. I'll also leave the link in the description, okay, where you can see the Pi blockchain. Okay, this is pi pi-block.net. pi-block.net. Now if you look here, you can see transactions of different people all over the world. This is ledger. It says Pi testnet explorer. Okay, I'll leave the link of the site. I'll leave it down below the description so you can, visit it yourself to know more. Okay. Now, let me take you first of all to operations. Now, this operation, you can see transactions here. You can see addresses. Let me click this, for example. Okay. This address made a transaction. Okay, this is the transaction time, this is the fee. Okay, and the period the person made the transaction. These are addresses. Pay fee, for example, this GCV4, this is an address, paid 50 Pi to this particular address. Okay, you can see it here. Trying to click if I can get a clearer view. All right, let me just move to transactions. All transactions are recorded here on the ledger. All transactions are recorded here on the blockchain. Okay, the Pi testnet. All transactions are recorded here. Now, this is the blockchain. These are the transactions. This is the ledger area where you see that there are only successful transactions. I've not seen any failed transactions. So far so good, since I have been viewing the Explorer. I've not seen any failed transaction. All transaction has been positive so far. Well, okay, this is the Pi testnet dashboard where you can see everything, the total supply. Okay, you can see the total supply of Pi. Okay, You can see the total supply. You can see the number of active nodes, that people that are connected with their system. You can see the number of active nodes. You can also see the accounts, the ledgers, the number of Pi node download. Okay, you can see all these things for yourself. All right. So, without further ado, I'm going to stop the video here. So if there's any question, any contribution, maybe there's anything I missed out, please do well to use the comment section below. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video so that I can make more content like this. You'll be the first to see it and you'll be the first to watch. Okay, now thank you so much for your time. Okay, bye bye.